Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm going to do some unboxing. I have undone it ready. I haven't looked though. Oh no, I've not undone it ready. I thought I had, but I haven't. Right. Ta-da! Right, Kirsty Meakin has started to do the disposable foils on a metal board. And then there is that pop on thing at the back. And if the price is on this or not. No, it's not. I'm going to leave that in there. I'll have a look how much they are and I'll put it on the screen. So because I wanted 4 different grits, I thought I'd buy 2 of the metal boards. I did. So you've obviously got her name on one side and then you've got a pattern on the other side. So I have got 100 grit files, I've got 150s, and then I've got 180s and 240s. So I'm going to put those 2 on one, and I'm going to put these 2 on one. Done. So there we go. So that is 100 grit on that side and 150, and then I've got 180 on that side and 240, and then I've got loads of spares. I've still got 9 in each of those, so yeah, I like. I will leave a link down below. I will, of where you can get them from, and if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, that would be super duper. I love you forever. And if you haven't already subscribed, please, and I'm happy to sub for sub. If I'm not sub to you, just leave me a comment down below and I will pop over and subscribe to you. And yeah, and comment if you like. Right, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. That is it for today. Short and sweet. Bye.